Hello, I'm Dawn Baker, Vice President of Development for JD Edwards. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time today to share what's going on with the JD Edwards product. Now, if you've already tuned into some of the messages from other members of our team, you probably already have a sense for what a busy development environment we have at JD Edwards. And I can say from my perspective of working directly with the developers that we're not slowing down. In fact, we're delivering more innovation at a regular pace than we ever have before. Now, I'd like to be able to tell you all the details of everything on our roadmap, but since we usually have about 70 to 80 different projects in motion at any given point in time, that's probably more than I can cover in just a few minutes. But I would like to share with you a few highlights of what we're working on and what we have planned for the roadmap as well. First of all, we want to make sure that the product you have stays relevant, whether it's for updates in business practices or changes in legislation, but also with the enhancements that many of you have requested. Right now, for example, we're working on implementing basket level pricing in the procurement module. We're adding more capabilities around lease management. And I think something that many of us can relate to, we've got a project in the works just to help you eliminate and reduce the amount of address book duplications you have. But in addition to those enhancements and others, we're also looking toward the future, and we want to make sure that the product grows with you and helps you stay competitive. And for many of you right now, that means providing more digital business processes and automation. And a lot of you have tapped into our mobility functionality to do just that. Others have found that using the JD Edwards Orchestrator Studio is an easy way to create those orchestrations and automation. But we're also building some ready-to-use digital business processes. We call these light touch and digital blueprints. And they take mobility, they take orchestrations, they take watch lists, and of course the application functionality in JD Edwards, and put them together in a very seamless digital business process. And finally, I want to make sure to highlight the range of usability features that we have already put in the product and we're continuing to work on. And these are important because they really help users stay productive. They help them get the information they need when they need it. And probably best of all, they help them personalize those applications so they work best for them in their specific role. So I'm going to encourage you to go to a website called learnjde.com. And that's a great place to stay updated with the JD Edwards products. And make sure you come back often, because here in development, we're not slowing down. Thank you.